Hello YouTubers, this is Mr. Will 104 coming to you live with an unboxing video, my second one actually. This is from a member from Hidefninja.com. We traded some steals and I just got his package. Hopefully he got his in safe condition. I kind of cheated. I already opened it, make sure everything was fine. So here I go, check it out. Basically, it was a straight up trade. I gave him two of mine for two of these that I don't have. And the first one is the Dark Knight, the Fnac exclusive. He didn't have the art cards, but he did have the comic book. It's in French. It's not helping me at all because I can't read French, but let me see. Basically, I can't zoom in to get it, but there it is. No idea what's going on. So this is the front and the back. The spine. It's number one. The second one is another Disney classic that I don't have in my collection. Take it out. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So thanks again for watching my video. Thanks again, Monsters 40 on Hidefninja. Hopefully we'll be able to do some trades again. Alright, thanks. It's out again. Alright, deuces.